cooking with little mama. For our ingredients today, we only need 3 things. Pop Its, chocolate, and M&Ms. Let's go get them. Come on, come on.
You're so fast.
First ingredient, check, Pop Its.
Whee! This is nice. I can get used to this, Isabelle. Can you push me more often? I like it. It's a nice view.
Come to mama. Girls gotta have chocolate, you know. We make food. Let's get down to business. Yum, this smells so good.
Hey, not yet. No, Isabelle. Melted it for you.
Me mix, me mix, me mix. M&M time. All you have to do is one in each circle. Now I'm gonna make this part of it a rainbow. Rainbow! Is it okay if I make a mess with this?
It's okay, go ahead. You always clean it, right?
Yeah.
You got this. There you go.
Now we spread it out. I have special guests today.
There we go.
This is so cool. I'm almost done.
Messy, isn't it?
It is so messy.
That's a fun mess, though.
Here you go, buddy. Thank you. Time to put it in the freezer. Now we wait. 4 hours later. Time to pop it. Ooh, it's really
Ooh. This came out so cool.
So if you push those.
Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that big piece.
yum.
Ooh. That was the coolest part is these look like they're gonna clean like super easily. Then you can use it for popping.
Until
Next time.
Is that good?
Melted.